Hi everybody, we just wanted to do a quick update today because it looks like Ethereum has reached all-time highs, so we're pretty excited about that. We actually think that it might be on some news that okcoin out of China is now going to start allowing the Chinese people to get into Ethereum. We think that's going to be huge because we saw how huge Bitcoin was in China and how big it is in China and all over the world. Ethereum's going to be even bigger, in my opinion, with all the companies pairing on to it. Can't say that enough. And okcoin allowing Chinese people, I believe they're going to be the first exchange in China to allow for these Ethereum coins to be bought by their people. So, we really do like that. We already told you we like the chart patterns. Let's check the price right now of Ethereum. It's at oh, it's making a new high right as I speak. $227.70. Now, we have been a fan of Ethereum since it was at $17. That's when we first started watching it. So, and we also have been doing videos since it dropped down into the 115, where we thought it was going to drop down to 100, but 115 is close enough, especially with a mover like this. So, where do we think Ethereum is going? Should be the next question that we ask now that it's breaking all-time highs. Well, we saw that last little ramp up in the charts, and that was very healthy for it to do, especially with a nice pullback that it did. Good pullbacks in these things happen to be 30 to 50%, and it did just that. It fell in the range, and then it based out for a couple days before everybody could get their banks verified. I heard Coinbase opened 40,000 accounts on one day. On one day, 40,000 new accounts. So I don't care if every one of those person on average is putting in $100. That's a $4 million that came in possibly in one day. Just if they did $100, I'm sure everyone did a lot more than that because they know how great Ethereum is going to be, right? Well, we think Ethereum is going to be great too. We're using the chart. We're watching it on Coinbase. You can see that I got my app pulled up here, and we're in it, and we're in it for probably 5 to 700. We like those prices pretty quickly, actually. Um, Probably not as quickly as the last month has been for Ethereum. But we believe by the end of the year that would be a healthy price with Bitcoin trading around maybe 5,000, because right now we're seeing Bitcoin actually not go up. Uh, I don't know the reasoning behind that, but it's probably because it's in a nice baseline consolidation um, before it goes to new highs. And Ethereum is just so exciting right now because it's the basically Bitcoin 2.0 is what I've heard it called. There's a lot of people that are investing in it. Like I always say, if you have $100,000, say, putting $2,000 to $5,000 into a cryptocurrency, that might be a good idea. Just like they say to own 5 to 10% of gold and silver as well. So what's the difference between a cryptocurrency and gold and silver? Yeah, one's physical and one is an asset that you can hold in your hand, but the values are showing true right now. We have the metals right now. You have gold and silver being held down by all the derivatives that are created on these. All the large banks are short the positions in derivatives that they sell as ETFs, and they are holding the price down because if the price goes up, then they don't make money. They make money off it basically going sideways, charging you a fee, not when it goes up, because they're the ones that sold the packages. So then they would have to take delivery upon all that silver, and they would be bankrupt probably if they did that. So we like cryptocurrencies because they're decentralized, no central bank like the Federal Reserve, and then there's going to be new programs, new apps developed daily based on these new programs. And everybody's transactions are out there and can be seen. You can go to, I think, blockchain.info or something like that to see all the transactions actually go through. That'll make you feel a lot better about looking at cryptocurrencies, to know that there's so many transactions going through. I think that if it was only me and one other person using it, you might be a little bit more skeptical, just like I am of all these ICOs that you hear about. Now, there's maybe one or two of them that I like. The one that's partnered with Visa, Monaco Bank card, but you can't buy any tokens or what I call shares of cryptocurrencies in that if you live in the US, Hong Kong, or Singapore. If you don't, I would be investing in that. And if you're watching this and you live somewhere other than those countries, by all means, I think that would be a great investment, is to transfer them some Ethereum and get some tokens in Monaco Bank card. That would be a really good idea. I'm looking forward to whenever the U.S. actually gets access to that. So that's my quick update here. We are seeing Ethereum soar. We don't think it's too late to get in. It's going to be going up. When it gets over 400, I might say you might want to just scale into it. But I think jumping into it now with whatever position you're wanting to jump into cryptos with, know that this could go from 227 all the way down to $27 if something really drastic, maniac could happen. That's an investment though. All investments are going to be like that. So just look at what happened in 2008 with our financial crash. I've been in stocks and currencies and these cryptos for a while. I've actually started mining some cryptos back in 2012, and that was fun to do, and now I own some of these new ones like Ethereum, and I'm watching some of the smaller ones. I don't like Ripple. I know there's a lot of people that do like Ripple because they have a lot of support from the banks. But I think there's Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two that I would stick in for right now until we have another one that emerges into third place. I just think there's too many shares or too many coins out there, too much supply, not enough demand, and it would have to go up tremendously, and I don't think the price will follow like they will with Ethereum. I think its market cap at this price is around 20 billion, I'm gonna say, as a guess. I haven't looked at it. It was 17 billion last time I looked at it, which was yesterday or this morning. So it might be at 20 billion now. But we think that could get up to 50 to 75 billion by the end of the year. So follow these currencies, watch them, invest in them, have fun, and subscribe and like to my video below, and you'll get to hear more from me. And I try to post daily for you guys, so I hope you appreciate it, and I'll talk to you later. And good luck!